What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be replacing a blower motor resistor on the 2011 Ford F-150. Let's go. The first thing we're going to do, guys, open the passenger side door, and it's going to be right there. If you look in the corner, there's that connector right there, and it's going to be held on by two 8mm bolts. To have a better view at it, we're going to lower down the glove box. Let's open the glove box. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing this so you guys can have a better view. But all you got to do is go down there, disconnect the connector, remove the two 8mm bolts, and that's it. Now what you're going to do is squeeze on the corners and let it drop down. First thing we're going to do is grab the connector and with your thumb, push down the tab, pull it down, move the connector out of the way. Now we're going to move this orange wire out of the way. There you go. Now remove the 8mm bolt. There's one. And two. That's how it looks. Now all we got to do is remove your blower motor resistor. And there she is, guys. That's it. Oh yeah. Grab the new one, compare it to the old one, make sure it's the same, ready to install. Now all you guys got to do is put your new one on, reinstall basically in reverse order. Make sure that orange wire is out of the way. There you go. Tighten it down. And don't forget to reconnect the connector. There you go, guys. Alright guys, so the reason for replacing that part was because every time you turn on his AC, it was stuck on high. And the most common problem with these Ford is those blower motor resistors. It's a common problem, the first thing to go look at. So now we put the new one on, and now we can control high and low on the temperature. We can lower it and we can raise it like a normal fucking truck. Alright guys, well I'll see you guys on the next video.